In this guide, we are going over every single title here in Sailor Piece and the buffs that they give you. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, titles are not just cosmetic, they do provide real bonuses to damage, luck, gems, money, and XP, so they're definitely worth equipping whenever you get the opportunity to. But first things first, you're going to have leveling titles, which will increase your player level. You have Novice, which doesn't give you any buffs. You're also going to have Apprentice, which is plus 5 gems and plus 10% money. And then you're also going to get Warrior, which is plus 10% gems, plus 15% money, and plus 10% XP. Then you have Champion, which gives you 15 plus percent gems, 20 plus percent money, and 15% XP. Up next, we have our drop milestone titles, which unlock based on how many item drops you collect, which includes gem, money, and XP. You have Collector, which is 200 drops, which gives you 20 plus percent gems, 25 plus percent money, and then 15 plus percent XP. Then you have Hoarder, which is 1,000 drops. That gives you plus 25% gems, plus 30% money, and plus 20% XP. Treasure Hunter, which is 3,000 drops. That's plus 30% gems, plus 40% money, and plus 25% XP. After that, we have Golden Tyrant, which is 10,000 drops. That is plus 40% gems, plus 55% money, and then that's also going to be plus 35% XP. Finally, we have boss drop titles, which drop obviously from specific bosses. You're going to have like Vampire King in here. This is going to be from Alucard, which is plus 32% damage. Honored one is going to be plus 17.5% damage, and that's from Gojo. You have Imminence and Shadow, which is obviously from Shadow. That's going to be plus 40% damage. Soul Reaper, which is plus 37.5% damage. Living Weapon, which is from Yuji. That is plus 16.5% damage. Dragon Slayer, which is from Ragna, plus 30% damage. King of Beginning from Chinshur, this is 27.5% damage. Strongest Sorcerer, which is strongest of today, plus 45% damage. Demon King, Curse King, Blade Master, Star Maiden, Shadow Monarch, Manipulator, Demon Lord, King of Shadows, and Disgraced One. There's also event titles as well, like Santa's Helper and Cupid's Chosen. And then you also have boss defeat milestones. All of this is going to be in the title section itself, and you can go through every single one of these if you need. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.